everybody, it's Isabel here, an 8-year-old author and total booker. Before we get into the video, I have a small gist of what happened to me a few days ago. So, a few days ago, I went to Bounce Bounce, and I had a great time. But I sprained my leg. But it doesn't really matter because it was still awesome. Today, I have an awesome book to share with you. If you love books that are funny, inspiring, and full of big dreams, then you're gonna love this book review of Marcus Makes a Movie by Kevin Hart. Kevin Hart isn't just a comedian. He's also an amazing author. And in this book, he tells the story of Marcus, a kid who loves making comics, but suddenly has to turn one into a real movie. Can Marcus figure out how to make it happen? Stick around to find out. So here's a short summary of the book. Marcus is super creative. He loves making comic books. But when his teacher challenges him to turn one into a real movie, things get way harder than he expected. He has to find a team, learn how to write a script, and make his vision come true along the way. He faces challenges, learns lessons about hard work, teamwork, and believing in himself, and proves that even big dreams can come true if you don't give up. Here's why I think you should read this book. 1. It's super funny and full of personality, just like Kevin Hart. 2. It teaches creativity, filmmaking, and never giving up on your dreams. 3. It's perfect for middle grade readers who love inspiring and entertaining stories. If you could make your own movie, what would it be about? Let me know in the comments below. And if you like book reviews like this, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more awesome book reviews. Thanks for watching. Keep reading, keep dreaming, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye! 3, 2, 1.